This was my old Federal Pacific electrical panel. I guess these are a fire hazard and a problem. I wanted to be able to install a generator plug onto it as well, which these don't support. You can't buy breakers for them or anything. So I decided to replace this electrical panel. You can see this is in my shop, doesn't have too many circuits, but the ones it does have are pretty big. There's some circuits for the welder, circuits for the pump house, things along those lines. Actually replacing and installing the new electrical panel was pretty easy. Getting this old one out was very hard. You can see right here I'm kind of tracing some of the paths around the shop of where the electrical is running and what runs off of it. My neighbor was extremely generous in helping me out all day on this. It was an important time critical project and he took a whole day to help me out with it. He's awesome, neighbor Joel. You can see here this is the new panel. Once it's in here, we had to rejigger a bunch of things and actually cut the old panel out to get it to come out, which is a big pain. But now that it's done, it's pretty good to go. Here is the generator plug, or the generator install. So this is an interlock. You got to have this now by code, I believe. When you install a generator plug, inlet plug, that way you don't fry the poor linemen who are working on getting the line back up. So this switches it off, and then you push that little interlock up. Now you can turn on the breaker that puts power in through the power inlet, and you can't accidentally turn that breaker back on. So works super well, makes things a lot safer. Then here's the panel with the cover on. Everything's installed, done. Good to go, inspected and approved and all that sort of thing.